Brunswick stew. Exchange place, Kingsport. Christmas in the country.
God, not much left. Well, we're only at the little at a time. Be careful, don't. I try to fall in the fire.
Oh, yeah. How much traffic team was that? Nice guy.
Thank you.
I'm gonna thank you.
Thank you. He's seeing pigs. He's not used to seeing pigs.
Yeah.
He's seeing how they smell.
Yeah, our dog does not think a lot about pigs. Like, they're just disgusting things that roll around in mud.
Yeah, they are dirty, muddy, aren't they? Big fat hogs now. They used to be pigs, now they're big fat hogs.
Crushed, and then somehow it becomes into sorghum. I don't really know how to go through all that processing, but somehow, and then they take the tops, they use it for feed, they use it for brooms, they use it for fire making. So if you want, you can feed another one.
We're feeding sorghum cane tops to the pigs. They're hogs now. The sorghum was grown over here, and this girl said she remembers when these hogs were little tiny squealy pigs and they put them in the pen. Sure are muddy. What do you think, Ham? What do you think of those things?
I can't really tell you how to go through all the crap. How much is the popcorn over there? I might go in and see.
Gives me a what?
Gives me
20.